Welcome back to the Cartoon History Channel. This is Saturday Afternoon RetroTune, episode 132, Behind the Scenes of Animation 48. And this is the secrets of Brad Bird's career that only true fans know. He started out in animation from 78 to 84 with Walt Disney. He graduated in the 70s from CalArts. If you know the year, post it in the comments, because I'm letting you guess the year. So tell the other cartoon history friends out there in the comments what year it was, if you know. From 85 to 89, he worked with Steven Spielberg's Amblin Entertainment. From 89 until 97, he worked with The Simpsons at Gracie Films. He was also one of the original character designers for some of the villains like Sideshow Bob. After he left Gracie Films, he went on to Warner Brothers that made his famous 1999 famous movie among fans but flop called The Iron Giant. After that, he left Warner Brothers and went on to Pixar in 2000. His original timeline with Disney was 2000 to 2008, when he made his first of two movies with them, The Incredibles and Ratatouille. In his first movie, Ratatouille, there is a scene where Helen Parr, Elastigirl, is saying her military plane code name. This is IG-99er, which is a reference to his first big animation movie, The Iron Giant, in 99. After The Incredibles, he made Ratatouille. And right after The Incredibles in 2007 and 2008, he did a little bit more work for the company, but paused working for the company for 7 years and didn't come back till 2015. While he was away from Pixar for those years, he worked with the CGI special effects for some live-action sci-fi movies for other companies. Tell me in the comments the names of the other companies, if you know. After he came back working for the company in 2015, and including the 11 plus years to this day, he released his first sequel movie that he directed called Incredibles 2. He will also be directing the other sequel, Incredibles 3. Interesting fact about the first Incredibles: all four of the main family members are based on family dynamics of their superheroes. Bob is the strength of the family, so that's why Mr. Incredible is like the Incredible Hulk. Helen Parr, Elastigirl, is her powers are themed around the flexibility of a mom, and Dash's powers are themed around the hyperactivity of a 10-year-old. And Violet is her powers are themed around the emotional distress of a teenage girl, and Jack his underdeveloped powers are themed around how the baby can be anything in a family. Brad designed those character traits because Brad wanted the characters to be unique, but have that family core to the movie theme as well. Incredibles 3 is going to come out June 16th, 2028, with Brad Bird reprising his role as the director of the third sequel movie, the second sequel and third movie of the franchise. That's it for today's video. Join me next time for Saturday Afternoon RetroTune 133, Behind the Scenes of Animation 49. And tell me what you want for that video in the comments. And vote on the most popular idea, because I want to do the most popular idea, plus I want to do what you want. And if you like this video and you want to see more, remember to like, subscribe, and comment, and hit the notification bell. Make sure to hit the notification bell so you'll always know when I upload every Friday and Saturday at 3.